Okay, guys, so I decided that I didn't want to use that full lace wig cap with all that lace that I would have to ventilate. So far I didn't sewed on one bundle. This is 22 inch. And if you see, I've taken a piece of lace and I put the piece of lace right here and I got it flipped up because I'm going to sew it I'm going to sew it on a sewing machine, and then this band will be cut out. So I only ventilate that much. And remember, I have the 4x4 closure. So that's the key to when you making your own wigs, you can modify them to the way you would like for them to be. So I didn't feel like doing all that ventilating when I'm not doing any parting. I just don't want to have that rounded edge. If you do your wig and you have just that rounded edge. So I don't want the rounded edge. I want to be able to have a little bit of baby hair if I decide to or whatever. But at the same time, I don't want to sit down for about 3-4 hours just to ventilate that, that piece. Well, it'd probably be longer than that. It was quite a bit. So I only need like 2 inches of baby hair going all the way around. So that's why I'm sewing this on. And then y'all modify y'all cap to the way y'all like it. And then once you get that sewn on, right? Once you get that sewn on, then I'm going to cut the band off. And I'm going to continue to put the tracks on as so. And then you just do it like that. And then when you get to the ending, you will have 2 inches to ventilate versus me have to ventilate about 4 to 5 inches. And I ain't trying to do no parting. I just don't want that band going around. So I just modified the cap, put it back on here. Where is my canvas? Here it go. And then you guys can do that. If you don't want to do a whole bunch of ventilating, you already got a closure to go up there, but you don't want that rounded off edge around here, so you can do stuff like this. Yeah, just replace the front of the band with some lace. And then when you get done and put your closure on, then you just ventilate this part to give you this. Okay, guys. You can do what you want when you're making your own wig.